Paramount is launching its NFT marketplace Metaverse annoying marketing stunt that fans are already angry about with Star Trek non-fungible tokens. The company partnered with Recur to create a platform called Paramount.xyz, which it says will bring Paramount's beloved entertainment entities, brands and characters to the metaverse. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. Today, Paramount Global and Recur announced that Star Trek will be the first NFT digital collection to drop from their multi-year partnership to bring Paramount's beloved entertainment brands and characters to the metaverse. Fans will be able to access Star Trek digital collectibles starting April 9 through Paramount.xyz. Through this fan-focused platform, Paramount and Recur have created a unified environment where fans can buy, collect and trade NFTs as digital collectibles across Paramount's leading portfolio of brands, including Paramount Pictures, Nickelodeon, Comedy Central, MTV, BET, CBS, Showtime Networks Incorporated, and more. Star Trek is the first franchise to launch and will be followed with collectibles from Nickelodeon and Paramount Pictures. Paramount.xyz allows fans to build a community, engage with peers, and unlock new, innovative, and interactive experiences with properties and brands they love. Fans should be able to engage with our content wherever they are, including the metaverse, said Pam Kaufman, President, Consumer Products and Experiences, Paramount. Paramount.xyz will offer one seamless digital collectible experience for fans across our key franchises, starting with Star Trek, an iconic franchise that is forward-thinking, innovative and multi-generational. We are thrilled to have a space that is accessible to everyone and allows another expression of fandom. The Star Trek NFTs will contain algorithmically generated starships. Each pack will cost $250 and will only have an 11% chance of looking anything similar to the iconic Starship Enterprise. The Star Trek collectibles will be housed in Star Trek Continuum, an experiential hub that will be the space for this first and future seasons of Star Trek NFTs. Here, fans will have the opportunity to own a piece of their favorite franchise while embarking on an entirely new journey. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. Finally, check the resources to more detailed information on metaverse investing, decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT, non-fungible tokens, investing guides in the description box below.